North Carolina, Cort. I'm going to keep backing here, get her a little further down past the, way past this green side line up here. Once I'm in position, I think what I'll have you do is I'll have you come around and lay up here on my my starboard bow to help kind of keep working that around. Looks like it's kind of flowing to that green side down there in the inner green.
Okay, sounds good. Just let me know when you want me to jump over.
Yep, will do. And I'm going to keep you guys till I get outside these inner piers.
Sounds good.
I'm looking pretty good there, Carolina. If you want to back off and then start positioning yourself up forward here, I'm holding that stern pretty well.
Okay, sounds good. Heading forward.
Yeah, North Carolina, if you're in a good spot there, if you want to start giving me a half push on my bow there.
Roger that, half push.
That looking really good here in North Carolina. I got some headway on it here now.
Okay, you want me to keep this pressure on?
Yep, we'll keep that pressure on for just a little bit longer here.
Sounds good.
Okay, Carolina, if you just want to lay there here, I'm going to get some more headway going on here. We're looking pretty good.
Yeah, I'll just ride along with you till you get through these inner piers like you asked.
Yeah, sounds good, Cap. Appreciate it.
Security, the motor vessel Joseph Black will be inbound Superior Piers and approximately 30 minutes heading to BN5. Repeating security, quality Joseph Black will be inbound Superior Piers and approximately 30 minutes heading to BN5. WXY 6260 Joe Black.
Yeah, Cort, North Carolina.
Yeah, go ahead, Cap.
We got her licked now, sir. Thank you very much. Much appreciate the help getting out of here.
Yeah, no problem, Cap. We'll see you when you return sometime.
Yep, sounds good. I appreciate you guys have a good weekend.
Yep, you too. Glad we're here to assist.
Yeah, me as well. I don't think that would have worked without you guys, so appreciate it. You all have a good one.
You too. You guys have a safe trip.
Yeah, call it Joe Block, Cort.
Hey, Finley.
Finley?
Good morning.
Yeah, morning. The current's on its way down, you know, with the wind there. That didn't help much, but the current is down. You know, it's just trying to work that stern up into it with my issue, and you know, but we got her out of there. So it is up, but it's trending on the way down.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna swing wide here and make the approach there. I think with a light ship and a little bit of speed going in there bow first, I should be okay.
Yeah, it was, you know, it's only, I think it's up about 200 cubic feet a second over when I came in the other day, but I didn't have any, you know, real issues. It was just trying to leave loaded boat with, you know, this water's been up and down, sometimes almost a foot here in the harbor.
Jeez, that's I don't know about you. I know we were watching you guys going up and down the river at the beginning of the year here too. It has been one weird start of this season. I haven't seen one like that, and I've been sailing since 2000.
Yeah, it's been a crazy one. I've been out since '99, and I can't remember a spring or a weather pattern here that's been this strange in a long, long time.
Yeah, I felt so bad for you guys getting stuck up by Johnson's Point and Sprinkling Point in the dark hole. It's like, oh, geez.
Yeah, that was a brutal 3 days. I'll tell you. My arms got a workout, and so did the throttle.
Yeah, no joke. Okay, well, I appreciate the info there. Glad you guys got out safely. You guys have a safe trip down the lake, and if you ever need anything, you know, any info or anything, you don't hesitate to give them a holler.
Yeah, sounds good. I appreciate that, Cap, and you guys have a good load out of there. Enjoy the sunshine. It's nice to see it.
Yeah, definitely. We'll take it where we can get it. So, all right, you guys have a safe trip.
Yeah, thank you very much. Cort back to 16. Yeah, calling Duluth Area Lift Bridge, Stewart J Cort. Have a good weekend.
20 feet. 28. There's the tugboat. A little windy out. Oh, it sucks.